Hey guys, Heather here from Portland Volvo with a certified pre-owned Volvo S60 T5 Inscription in onyx black metallic with a charcoal leather interior. This fuel-efficient all-wheel drive sedan has less than 37,000 miles on it. I love a black and chrome car. It's super sophisticated, sleek, timeless. Those 19-inch wheels are a real showstopper. This one also has the little spoiler on the back, kind of sporty and sophisticated. Keyless entry. It has a backup camera. These dual integrated tailpipes look really nice. This has keyless entry. There's plenty of space in the back here. And it does come with an extra set of rubber mats. And there is a pass-through if you need to fit longer things in there. I love these sedans. I love the lines on the back. I think they look really cool, how the back window slopes all the way down. The interior is super clean, black and silver. With the inscription trim level, you get the sunshades in the back. And those roll down if you don't like them. And in the back, there's a power sunshade. Plug in the back. This has blind spot information system. Memory seating for 3. Super comfortable seats, very clean. Over here, this is where you'll find the gas and the hood pop right there. Also, this is the backup fog light, the reverse fog light, the rear fog light. With your foot firmly on the brake, this is your ignition switch here. So this button will raise that sunshade for the back. This also does have navigation, and you can connect to your telephone. It does have a CD player. And I'd like to draw your attention over to the left here on the blinker stock. So there's a roll bar here and then an OK button. So if you roll through, you'll be able to, if you hit OK and then roll through, you can set your trip computer. This is your themes. You'll be able to change how this looks. So this is the same color scheme as this side. And then something that's really cool is the service status. So when you get in, you know how long it will be until your next service. So that's a great future planning situation. All right, well, if you are ready for a simply sleek sedan, this is stock number 6102A, and PortlandVolvo.com has all the details you need. We'd love to get you in for a test drive or maybe deliver this car to you today. Thank you so much from Portland Volvo, and we'll see you soon.